Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 7. Tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. If we write this, then we can write here as 1 by 3 into 6 in bracket into 4 by 3 by 3 is equal to, can write 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3. Here we use the property of associativity, that is associativity. Associativity of multiplication. Associativity of multiplication of multiplication associativity of multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers. We use this property here of rational numbers. Right? Here we have used the property of associativity of multiplication of rational numbers. That is 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into bracket in 6 into 4 by 3. These are equal to one another. Therefore, we can say that the property used here is associativity of multiplication of rational numbers. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.